The comers are out to have a jolly good time, and we shall join them in this red wave. Don't have a flag? No problem. Just join the party train. It's national election, Jamaican style, and it's a month-long campaign. The two main parties are going toe-to-toe in this one. See the road march, the street parties, and the clown shows as politicians make all kind of promises that they cannot deliver. But who cares? Port Antonio is where it's all happening. Thousands of people are arriving from the hills and the valleys, all coming here in Port Antonio town. The roads are blocked and drivers are seeking side roads to continue their journey. It all seems like one big reggae carnival. It is in Jamaican nature to party and have a grand time. It may be 96 degrees in the shade, but that's not gonna stop our who's here from having a grand time. Let's proceed.